just for everybody, here's your consistency. That's...
Is that thing recording now?
Yeah, it's pretty disgusting. Alright. It does smell like bacon.
It don't?
It does.
Oh.
It smells like smoked bacon. Look, I got on my nose. You don't have to smell all day. Oh, that is nasty.
Bad stuff. Looks like baby
Let me
shit.
smell it first. It smells like smoked bacon.
Well, you're eating spinach, Janet.
You like it, don't you?
Sure likes that shitty taste. What?
That's really.